Clustered object offers several advantages. First of all, the object reference is the same on all the nodes. So that's very, very important. Regardless of which node a particular service is executing, they all have the same object reference. But under the covers, you can have incremental optimization of the implementation of that object. Depending on the usage pattern, you can have different levels of replication of the same object. So it allows for incremental optimization. And you can also have different implementations of the same object depending on the usage pattern. And it also allows for the potential for dynamic adaptations of the representations. The advantage, of course, of the replication is that the object references can access their respective replicas independently. And this means that you have less locking of shared data structures. Let's think about the process object as a concrete example. So if you think about the process object, it's one per CPU. And it is mostly read-only, and therefore page fault handling can start on all of these different processors independent of one another. And if they touch different regions of the address space, then the path taken by the page fault handling for all these different threads can be different. So what that means is that page fault handling, for instance, will scale in this case, using this as a concrete service, with a number of processes. It will scale with a number of processes. And this is important because page fault handling is something that is going to happen often, and so you want to make sure that it scales with a number of processes. On the other hand, if we want to get rid of a region, then the destruction of a region may take more time because the region may have multiple representations, and all the representations of that particular region has to be gotten rid of. And so destruction of a region may take more time, but that's okay because you don't expect region destructions to happen as often as handling page faults to service the ongoing needs of the thread. So the principle again is to make sure that the common case is optimized. The common case is page fault handling, region creation, region destruction. All of those things happen more rarely, and it is okay if those functionalities take a little bit more time.